isn't science fiction, it's real-world technology in action. Sit back and enjoy the video, Top 40 Unbelievable Industrial Machinery that are at another level. The CAS AT7 Rock Slinger brings pinpoint precision to material placement. With a 130-foot throwing range, it delivers gravel, sand, or mulch exactly where it's needed, no shovels, no mess. Whether working on tight slopes or wide open areas, it speeds up the job and cuts down labor. It's not just efficient, it's fun to watch. Introducing the DWT630 from Wolfe, the next evolution in dewatering trencher technology. Powered by a 630 horsepower CAT C18 engine, this powerhouse can dig trenches up to 19 feet deep and 12 feet wide. On screen, you'll see the DWT630 tackle even the toughest conditions, showcasing its impressive ability to carve out both wide and deep dewatering trenches with precision. The DWT630 using for projects that demand high productivity and accuracy. The agricultural robot sweeper is designed to help farmers during harvest, especially in single-stem row crops, where fruits aren't clustered and leaves don't block the view. It uses advanced computer vision technology to spot ripe produce with precision, making the process faster and more accurate. This tech boosts efficiency and helps reduce labor in farms using this type of crop layout. The Victor Z is a specialized self-propelled harvester designed for the professional harvesting of currants and black currants. It's an excellent solution for plantations ranging from 30 to 40 hectares, or even up to several hundred hectares. This harvester uses a dual V-shaped shaker system to achieve almost 100% harvesting efficiency without damaging the plants. With this technology, the Victor Z can harvest up to 20 tons of high-quality berries from just 1 hectare of planting. Wolfe house building movers don't just move homes, they move history. With steel beams, hydraulic jacks, and serious know-how, they relocate entire buildings with surgical precision. From century-old churches to massive structures, they preserve the past while clearing the way for the future. It's heavy lifting, with heart and a whole lot of horsepower. Introducing the game changer in soil compaction. The new BC773 EV5 model takes efficiency to a whole new level, maximizing every cubic meter of your construction site. With advanced technology that boosts productivity by up to 10% compared to traditional dozers, this soil compactor is built to be a dependable ally, no matter the conditions. Plus, its intuitive cab features 5 displays and a multi-function joystick, offering the convenience and control ease. The Sandvik DL4221E is a fully electric drill rig built for underground mining. It delivers zero-emission performance, with up to 72 feet of drilling depth and 52,000 pounds of feed force. Quiet, clean, and powerful, it cuts costs while crushing rock. If you're aiming for precision with a green punch, this rig brings serious power underground, without the fumes. OJK Auger Ditchers are built to dig through peat in all kinds of conditions, even frozen ground. With just one pass, they create deep, continuous ditches while cutting through roots, stumps, and small trees with ease. The auger throws peat far to both sides, spreading it evenly across the strip. These machines are perfect for tough, swampy terrain, where other equipment might struggle. This sea-based excavator is a true mechanical giant. With a massive boom and bucket, it dives below the waves to haul material, from the seabed to a waiting barge. It looks like a sci-fi monster, but works with precision, helping clean or prep the ocean floor. For marine excavation, this beast sets the standard. The faster, the better, right? The Schulte Series 5 rotary cutters, XH1500 and XH1000, turn your work into a high-speed cutting race. With their updated design, new gearboxes, and advanced accelerated knives, these mowers aren't just fast, they're super fast. With a potential speed increase of 30 to 50%, they exceed the expectations of even the most demanding users. Now, you can tackle tasks more efficiently and faster, leaving the competition in the dust. The USS Gearald R.Ford isn't just an aircraft carrier, it's a floating city and a show of force. With a crew of 4,500, dozens of jets, and cutting-edge tech, it leads missions around the globe. When it docked in Oslo in 2023, it made history. At sea, it's unmatched, stealthy, strong, and ready for anything. Ashley Contracts is a leader in marine civil engineering, with extensive experience across the UK and Ireland. They tackle everything, from coastal defense to underwater demolition, and when it comes to this field, they are unrivaled. One of their secret weapons? The Hitachi EX1200 XXL triple boom long-reach excavator. This specially modified giant is designed for underwater demolition, handling tasks that others simply can't. The Joachim Jensen Vredo 32000Z is a tough, high-powered tractor built to take on demanding jobs, like slurry spreading. Its large capacity tank holds plenty of liquid manure, letting you cover big fields, without constantly stopping to refill. It's also fitted with a custom spreading system that evenly distributes the manure, helping to boost efficiency and maintain consistent coverage across the entire area. The H2 Track EOX175 is a cutting-edge diesel-electric tractor that allows for remote operation via a special tablet or phone application. The EOX in its name refers to electric pull, inspired by the animal often used in agriculture. The tractor features an onboard range extender that recharges the battery pack during use. With four-wheel steering and an adjustable track width ranging from 7.4 to 10.5 feet, it also boasts a turning radius of just 31.5 feet, making it highly maneuverable. After a road accident, the ship Bayan was temporarily out of commission. But thanks to a rapid repair job, it was back in action and ready to sail. Guided by a tug, it headed out toward the Nishota base. Tough, tested, and reliable, Bayan isn't just a ship, it's a survivor that keeps moving, no matter what the sea throws its way. Wagner 2WD log stackers are the go-to choice for anyone who values reliability, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. The newly designed cab offers improved visibility and enhanced comfort, making long shifts feel less tiring and much more productive. Thanks to the innovative three-wheel steering, these machines can easily navigate tight spaces, minimizing the risk of damage and reducing operating costs. The IC series autonomous implement carriers from Autoagri stand out, with their electric drive system and ability to work with standard tools. These robots can carry implements weighing up to 2,000 kilograms. Each of the 4 corner wheels is powered and can rotate 360 degrees, giving the machine full directional control, even turning in place, making it ideal for rough or complex terrain. At Lake Berryessa, the glory hole looks like a portal to another world. But it's actually a spillway, designed to prevent flooding by draining excess water, at up to 48,000 cubic feet per second. At 72 feet wide, it's an engineering marvel, and one seriously hypnotic sight, when nature and design come together. The vessel was being transported to help regulate flow at the outlet of an oil and gas pipeline, making its way 50 miles inland from Ohio. For this massive 450,000-pound job, Buckingham Heavy Transport chose a 12-axle GoldHofer 2-lane trailer, which ensured the load was perfectly distributed. Thanks to thorough permitting and meticulous planning, the entire operation went off without a hitch. The Toro Groundsmaster is a series of commercial-grade lawn mowers made for tackling large grass areas fast and effectively. These machines are tough, with strong engines and heavy-duty cutting decks built for demanding jobs. Beyond cutting power, they're also designed for operator comfort and safety, featuring standard rollover protection and seat belts to ensure a secure mowing experience. The new Speedrower Plus series from New Holland represents the pinnacle of productivity, precision, and power in self-propelled mowers. This series offers superior handling, with advanced sensitive drive electronic control, increased productivity with the highest speeds in the industry. It also provides the most comfortable ride in the company's history. The Durabine Plus disc cutter bars are specially designed to take advantage of higher speeds and enhancing cutting. The new Speedrower Plus series from New Holland represents the pinnacle of productivity, precision, and power in self-propelled mowers. This series offers superior handling, with advanced sensitive drive electronic control, increased productivity with the highest speeds in the industry. It also provides the most comfortable ride in the company's history. The Durabine Plus disc cutter bars are specially designed to take advantage of higher speeds and enhancing cutting. What you're looking at is the SP600 slipform paver, equipped with lightweight molds that efficiently place cement concrete right in front of the machine. This machine is perfect for paving cement concrete surfaces up to 52.5 feet wide, including driveways, industrial areas, runways, and bike paths. The SP600 offering both precision and cost-effectiveness for large-scale paving projects. The Axcavator Atlas is a rugged and flexible machine built for forest operations. It's tough enough to handle rough terrain, making it perfect for clearing paths by removing trees, rocks, and other obstacles. This heavy-duty excavator can also level the ground, creating smooth access routes for vehicles and equipment, which is essential for efficient movement in forested areas. This equipment effortlessly transforms garden clippings and crop residues into ideal mulch in one smooth pass. Its high-quality blades work swiftly and precisely, leaving behind a uniform layer that enhances soil structure and provides protection against erosion. The Woodcracker L1200 is a tree-crushing beast. With jaws strong enough to grip and slice trees up to 47 inches wide, it turns massive logs into manageable chunks in seconds. No fuss, no struggle, just raw hydraulic power. Forestry just got faster, safer, and way more satisfying with this giant on your side.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.